how can we add text in our Photopea document. After you start a brand new document or load your pictures, like in my case, you can head to the left to the main toolbar and search for a text tool. This is letter T, click on that, and you will have a basic text tool. You can now click somewhere in your document and start typing. Keep in mind, if your resolution is really high, like in my case, the text may appear tiny as the default size is only 24 pixels, but we can easily change that using the slider. We stuck at 150, but why not override this from the keyboard? Here's 500 pixels. From here we can also change font and the text color. Don't forget to confirm your text with this OK here. And here's our text. Using Move tool you can move it around. You can even scale it up and down, but be careful. You will need to hold Shift for a correct proportion. You can apply layer effects on the text layer. Take a look. This is a special text layer. We can click Effects. And from here we can add effects like, for example, shadow. So let's drop shadow here. A very common effect that gives us a bit of cutout between backdrop and the text. You can modify how strong the shadow will be, the color of it, everything's here. Alright, the text is still editable, so when I double tap on it, I can edit the text. You can decide about the text alignment as well. Alright, so that's our basic text tool, but if you click and hold on the text tool, you will see there's another tool hidden below for vertical text. Select that, so you can type vertically like that. To have a greater control on your text, you can open up the paragraph menu here on the right. There's also a character menu here on the right. If you cannot see it, stick to the right, head to Window and just turn it on from the list. As you can see here, we got a greater control when we can adjust multiple settings for our text. If you want to delete the text layer, you can simply do that by deleting the layer like any other layer here on the layer panel. Just click the little trash bin, and it's gone. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.